What you got there?
Sweet potato, good for sweet potato on steak and sweet potato fries.
Sweet potato on a stick?
Yeah. So, like,
I'm just kidding. I know what it is, but most people probably never heard of it. What is that? Sweet potato on a stick?
we call it kamote Q.
Kamote Q, like barbecue.
Yeah, yeah. But this sweet potato on a stick.
So it's barbecued sweet potatoes?
Yes. No.
'Cause when you
we
made
have
it-
to fry. Or maybe we have to do the air fryer and then we have to put it on the stick.
Frying in oil is not healthy. The air fryer,
Yeah, we will do
yeah,
it.
that works.
And then I will stick on
On a kebab
yeah,
shank.
yeah.
Yeah.
So we call it sweet potato on a stick.
Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back. This is Dan
And Alice.
from plantabundance.com. We're out here in the backyard food forest on a rainy day, getting ready to pull a harvest of some sweet potatoes. If you've been following along the channel, you may recall Alice planted some of her kamote tops, as it's known in Tagalog, which is sweet potato greens. She picked up a bunch of those from the local Asian market and just plugged those into this compost heap over here. This was a mixture of different compost that we've been gathering, some wood chips, and she stuck it in there, and we got some good greens throughout the entire summer into the fall. But as you can see, the greens have all but died back at this point since we've gotten down to some lower temperatures. As soon as you get to those frost points, the greens will die back. So we're going to go ahead and pull a harvest, or I should say Alice is going to go for it.
Wow.
Oh, good way to start. Not bad. And the reason we waited until now to actually pull the harvest is because we actually weren't watering this patch. So it was really dry, it was rock hard dry. But we've been getting some rains now, so we thought it would be a good time to get out here. The soil is going to be softened up. And it looks like we were right. The tool that Alice is using to dig these out is known as a hori-hori, and it's my favorite gardening tool to date. I've talked about it in several videos, but it's a great way to pull weeds, pull harvests of root crops.
We have to look over here.
So you're just going to the base of where the greens were growing.
Yeah. I have to
Loosen up the soil a bit. You want to be careful, obviously, that you don't dig into the potato. If you do, no big deal. You're just going to want to eat those right away.
But I wanna dig over here.
Smash those thumbs if you think Alice did a great job growing her kamote greens and sweet potatoes this year, and for being out in the rain pulling a harvest.
If I cannot find, I will use the shovel after this. I'm shoveling all of it.
Yeah, shovel is not the best tool that we like to use for harvesting sweet potatoes because
Yeah, but we have
you're likely to dig
it
in.
first, like this.
So some of the greens didn't produce potatoes. That's fine. We'll just keep moving along and seeing what we end up getting. I'm happy with the way this mound's been breaking down too. We've got some nice soil developing over here. You can still see some good wood chunks in here, but this will be nice to add into the garden next season.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm gonna guess there's some good ones there. You can tell because look at how large the stalk of the plant is there.
Coming out. I'm so happy if I can dig and there is something inside. I'm losing up.
It is quite satisfying. Nice. So it's better if you can avoid breaking any part of the potato, obviously, but that's okay.
It's not bad, honey.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Oh, more. Over here.
Perfect.
So I wanna dig this one some other day. This one is good for today. Oh, surprise!
Say cheese.
Cheese! Well, just follow us in planabundance.com.
You heard the lady.